I am a registered quadrilateral. There are 7 shapes that are quadrilaterals. First up, we have a trapezoid, a shape that I like to avoid.
No
One
cap.
pair of sides parallel, something that it does very well. Consecutive angles are supplementary, which is very unnecessary. Then we have the isosceles trapezoid, the one I also like to avoid. The
No
legs
cap.
are congruent, so are the diagonals.
Along with the base angles, all that makes my head scramble. A third one is a freaking square. It is very fair. Has all the properties of a rhombus, rectangle, and parallelogram. It's time to talk about the parallelogram, the one that makes my head go bam. Opposite sides congruent. If opposite angles are congruent. Consecutive angles supplementary. And diagonals bisect. Hey! Alright everyone, sing along for this next part. Quadrilaterals are very cool.
Yeah.
Hey. Quadrilaterals are very cool. Alright, here we go.
Winzip, I love you so much.
Next up we have the rectangle, the shape that makes my brain tingle. All the properties of parallelogram, along with 4 right angles. Second to last, you have the rhombus, all the properties of the parallelogram, along with 4 sides congruent and diagonals perpendicular. Last up, we have the kite, the shape of the floating side. Diagonals bisect non-congruent angles to pair of congruent sides. One pair of angles are congruent. If math is language, I'm fluent. A diagonal is perpendicular to the other, which is a massive bother.
No cap. Dev doesn't know how to rap. Hey.